Right, afternoon, boys and girls. Let us revise these tests which we wrote. Question number 1, define the term production. So production is the process of creating or adding value to goods and services in order to satisfy human wants. Ndo chatinoti production, kugadzira zvinhu zvedu kuita kuti tikwanise kusatisfy zvinenge zvidikanwa nevanhu, needs as well as wants. Part B, state 2 activities involved in production. The activities involved in production include manufacturing of goods as well as providing services such as transport, teaching and banking. Tochifamba topfuurira pamberi kuenda panumber 2. What is direct production? Keyword read by indirect. Right. Direct production zvinoreva kuti is the production of goods by individuals for their own use, for their own use and consumption without exchange. Ndo panobuda ku direct production vacho kugadzira zvinhu zvekuti mudye imimi musingatengese, ndo yatinoti direct production. State 2 characteristics of direct production. Characteristics tokuti zvii zvatinopatsanura nazvo kuti tione kuti ndo inonzi direct production. So the characteristics includes goods are produced for personal use. Tinogadzira zvokuti tidye isu tisingatengese. There is no buying or selling involved. Panenge pasina kutenga kana kutengeserana, nekuti ndezvedu zvengoti tidye kwenguva iyoyo. Part C, state 2 disadvantages of direct production. Parongodiwa 2 disadvantages of direct production. Yekutanga ndeyekuti since tichingoproduce zvokuti tidye isu, so there is a low output, which means production is limited. So that is a disadvantage, because if production is limited, zvakureva zvokuti panyaya yenyika katautaura gross domestic product GDP inenge yakadzikira, so there is low output. Then lack of specialization and efficiency ndo imwe disadvantage zvekare, nekuti munhu anenge achingoita zvese ari one kazhinji kavishona, because vanhu vanenge vari vashoma vanenge vachiita production iyo. So there is lack of specialization and efficiency. Lack of efficiency inobuda pakuti munhu chinhu anenge asinganyatsochigona, asi nekuda kwekuti ndege aripo anenge atongomanikidzira kutongochiita chete. Right. Question number 3, define indirect production. Indirect production yasiyana nedirect pakuti indirect uri kuproduce zvinhu zvausiri kuda iwewe zvokudiwa nasomeone else. So indirect production is the production of goods and services for sale or exchange in the market, ndo inonzi indirect production. State 2 advantages of indirect production. Takuda advantages. It encourages specialization and division of labor, as well as leads to higher production and efficiency. Those are the advantages. Then give 2 differences between direct production and indirect production. We need to give the differences. So the differences are like this. For direct production, goods are produced for own use, but for indirect production, goods are produced for sale. That's how you give the differences. Then there is no exchange involved in direct production, while in indirect production, exchange is done through buying and selling. Let us move on to the next part, which is question number 4. What is meant by division of labor? Division of labor could divide mukuziva kukamurirana. So division of labor is the splitting of production into different tasks, which with each worker specializing in a particular task. Tadivide takamurirana basa. Umwe neumwe ngatimboti pakugadzira mota inoda kugadzirwa, umwe anenge achifikisa matayi, umwe achisunga mamwe maparts, ndo yatei division of labor, something like umwe achichigadzira product imwe chete asi toisplita mabasa nemabasa kuti umwe oita ichi umwe oita ichi, ndo yatinoti division of labor. State 2 advantages of specialization. Kana munhu achispecializa kunotanga angomirira basa rimwe chete, there is increased efficiency as well as output. Nekuti munhu anenge atore nyanzvi paari ipapo, then saves time and improves quality of work. So this is the end of the test, boys and girls. I encourage you to read your notes to enhance your understanding. Tosangana mune chimwe chirongwa kumana nevasikana. Good day.